Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Rennie here. So in today's video I'm back again with a new makeup tutorial with this look on my face. So if you're interested in seeing this video, definitely keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, hi, like I said earlier, my name is Rennie. In this channel I make certain tutorials, makeup tutorials just like this one you see on my face. So if you like it, then let's get into this video, guys. Woo, shall we? Take it off. So guys, first of all, I'm going to be starting with my eyebrow. Yeah, you can still go. You can still go. You can still go. You can still go. 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 What are you doing? This is a very important part of this makeup. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you guys what I'm using to conceal my eyebrow right now. So as now, woo, shit. As now I'm still using my Treasure Haze Wave. I just seriously like this foundation. It's not a concealer, so I'm using this. This is in the shade 03 and this is in the shade 01. Like, it's literally the same thing. So I'm mixing the two of them together to get this shade that is on my eyebrow. All right, so now what I'm going to tell you guys about this is that this foundation has, would I say medium, like it's at the center. Okay, so the coverage is not really that fluid and it's not really that solid. Did that come out right? I don't know, but you should understand what I'm trying to say. So that's how it is. Especially when you mix the two of them together, it really just how will I put it now? What's the English? So after doing this, I'm just going to go ahead and apply primer on my eyelids. Wait, what is that? So to apply the primer, I'm going to be using my LA Pride, my go-to always. So I'm going to be using my primer. I've used the shade out of this thing. I'm never supposed to be showing in public like that. So I'm just going to apply that just here. So guys, let me know in the comment section which country or which state are you watching this my video from. I'd love to read your comments, so leave me comments in the comment section, guys. All right, so for this primer, I'm just going to place it where I'm going to be placing the eyeshadow. Okay, so on the direction I'm going to be placing the eyeshadow, that's how I'm going to place this. And also, as you're placing it, be sure to blend it out. Don't just keep it there like, okay? Be sure to blend it out. Okay, so that is that. I'm just going to go ahead and then do the same thing to the other eyes. So guys, I'm done doing that to the both eyes. So I'm just going to carry my eye like this. I'm going to go ahead and set my, set that part of my eyes. Where's the powder? I'm using my Melania. Okay, so if you follow my YouTube page, if you follow my, what have I been saying? If you've been following this channel, you know that I've been using this for a lot. Wait, what am I? Not too much, just a little, just to make it a little bit dry. So for the shadow, I'm using my, so I'm trying to create a makeup look with all these colors in this palette. Look how beautiful it is. So this is 28 colors eyeshadow palette. So if you don't know what I'm trying to do on my channel right now, I'm trying to create a makeup look for each of the colors on this palette. So if you're interested in seeing that, knowing how to create single makeup tutorials for all of these colors and also a makeup tutorial on the combined colors on this palette, then definitely subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so that you will not miss any of my uploads. All right, so I'm going to be taking this brush, or I think I should use something flat. Okay, let me use this flat one first of all. So I'm going to be using this, then I'm going to be going in with my beautiful, this is so bright, that yellow color. Guys, this palette has a whole lot of fallout. It has fallouts. this palette has fallout. I bet you won't know. Guys, so what I'm doing is just applying the eyeshadow where I applied that primer. Okay, I'm just going to be following that line the exact same way it was. Okay, just to make it, keep it bright and colorful. Okay, are you seeing this, guys? This one really gave the pigment instantly, and the fallout is not really that much. This is the brush I'm using. This is how it looks like. So it really just picked it and then just drops it there. You know, just copy and paste, drag and drop. So basically what you're going to be doing is just to, you know, apply this way you apply the primer, like I said, first of all. Then you're just gonna go ahead and then blend it out, right? So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to come back and then show you guys how it looks. So guys, this palette is speaking on pigments, but the pigment is not really that pigmented. Okay, at least it's trying, but it's not really that pigmented. Like it's just yeah. Alright guys, so far so good. This is how it's been looking. This is how it is. I'm on the fallout will be here. We really fell out. So I'm going to go in with I'm going to be using this shade. Okay, so I'm going to be using this shade exactly. No, this one. I'm going to be using this shade over here, still with that same brush. Okay. The shade doesn't have a name, guys, so that's why. Well, if you get this palette, you'll know the one to make use of, because it's literally self-explanatory. Please don't take my yellow away. Oh, this color. I don't know what you're doing, but don't take my yellow away. Do you understand? Alright guys, so far it looks like this. That color I used took away a little from our yellow color. So I'm going to at least come back again with the yellow and then just try to, you know, just make it look a little bit visible on top. Because it's actually the yellow color that we are going for. The other one was just being used as an instrument to make the yellow edge calm down, so she cannot come and steal our shine, because this color has to just shine. All right, so guys, that's it. We have it. Better. Since it is not glitter, it's gonna be okay. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to go ahead and line my English is hard. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eye like this. Whoa. Guys, this makeup is already coming together. I look like a Korean. So I'm going to be using this other color. Ba-la-lum, bum, 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 ba-lum, ba-lum, bum, 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 ba-lum, ba-la-lum, bum, bum, bum. Wait, let me use the mirror. So I'm showing you my just face. Whoa. I'm gonna go in with the lips. I'm going to be using my my beauty model matte lipstick. This is how it looks like. So that's what I'm going to be using for this look. Alright guys, so with that, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with my eyeliner, with my eye pencil. But I'm going to be doing that very light. I don't want it to be too much. Yeah, so that's it. All right, so guys, I'm going to be going in with this, okay, this liquid lip gloss. Okay, so guys, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and then fix up my eyelashes and then, you know, dress up and then come back and show you guys everything. that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching this video from. Let me know what you think about this look, and let me know if you're going to be creating this. If you're going to be creating this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at TheRealRoni7. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you like this video, then you're definitely going to like one of these videos here, so go ahead and click on this and I'll see you in one of them. Alright, till the lows. Bye, guys.